In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WordPress and WooCommerce to Google Analytics. If you're running an online store or a website, understanding your traffic and user behavior is crucial. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that allows you to gain valuable insights into your visitors, their preferences, and how they interact with your site. Whether you're tracking sales, monitoring user activity, or improving your marketing strategies, integrating Google Analytics with WordPress and WooCommerce can make a world of difference. So, let's dive in and set it up step by step. First, open your browser and head over to analytics.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It's free and simple. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Analytics dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, but don't worry, we'll take it one step at a time. Now look for the settings icon, which is often located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Create Property. This is where you'll start setting up your website within Google Analytics. You'll need to enter your website name, so choose a name that clearly represents your site. For example, if you run an online store, you might want to use your store's name. After that, select your country, time zone, and currency. Be sure to double-check these details. They're important for accurate reporting. Once you've filled in the basic information, click Next. Here, you'll be prompted to select your business size and industry. Choose the options that best fit your website, whether you're running a small blog, a medium-sized store, or something larger. This step helps tailor the data collection to your specific needs. Then, click Next again to proceed. At this stage, you'll need to choose the type of property you want to set up. Select the web option, as we're focusing on a website here. You'll then be asked to enter your website URL. A quick tip here. If the https:// part is already pre-filled, make sure you don't type it in again. Simply enter the rest of your URL. Following that, add a stream name. This is just a label for your data stream, so you can name it whatever makes sense for you, like my website, Analytics. Once that's done, click Create Stream. Google Analytics will now generate a measurement ID for you. This ID is the key to connecting your website to Google Analytics, so make sure you copy it. You'll need it in just a moment. Next, switch over to your WordPress dashboard here. You'll need to install a free Google Analytics plugin. There are several good options available, but look for one that's well-rated and actively maintained. Once you've installed the plugin, activate it and navigate to the plugin settings. In the settings, you'll find an option labeled Statistics or something similar. Click on that, and then select Google Analytics. At this point, you'll be prompted to paste the measurement ID you copied earlier. Place it into the appropriate field and click Save Changes. This step officially links your WordPress site to Google Analytics. To ensure everything works smoothly, enable the maximum compatibility mode in the plugin settings and save your changes again. This mode helps prevent any potential conflicts with other tools or plugins you might be using. Now, let's make sure the integration is working correctly. In the plugin settings, look for a test option or button. Click on it, and the plugin will check whether your site is properly connected to Google Analytics. If everything is set up correctly, you're good to go. It's important to note that Google Analytics may take some time to start collecting data. Typically, you'll need to wait about 24 to 48 hours before you begin seeing traffic details and reports. Once that time has passed, head back to analytics.google.com and you'll be able to explore insights about your website traffic. You can view where your visitors are coming from, which pages they're visiting, and much more. And that's it! You've successfully added WordPress and WooCommerce to Google Analytics. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.